How Italian sounds to a non-Italian speaker. Ever wondered how your language sounds to someone who doesn't speak it? Well, let's listen. Proximienne abbazzol tu calpiari terrienne affaziorolet tifoni regera ciacive partumienne aterinozara gerimo. Mensiva pli risiginus plienne azzolat di la noscia area de zia palma ci sotta movine giacitus scupia mi filine area tu meroti bi zieriti ma pia so enne midieranzia p. Piazza vestazza gerota underscore moscol tu salano caristenne agiadom ve piami gioverenne zieralmentu prazza giomazza zona industriare menne atazza. Yes, I know it sounds nothing like the actual language. My channel is called Language Gibberish after all. I'm sure those who completely missed the point will flood the comments with "this is nonsense and your pronunciation is all wrong." All because they didn't get the joke. Follow me if you want to hear Spongebob obliterate more languages in hilarious gibberish.